Hi, I'm Ryan with Wicked Edge, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Wicked Edge low angle adapter. The great thing about this adapter is it lets you achieve angles lower than your sharpener usually can achieve. So usually you're going to be using it with knives like Japanese steel kitchen blades, and that's because those knives usually have angles 9, 10, 11 degrees per side. So today I'm going to show you how to use it on the W66 with the dual cam vise, but the process for using it is the same no matter what sharpener or vise style you have. So the first step is you're going to simply slide it in between the jaws of your vise and you're going to clamp it down. Now it should be in there nice and snug. For any reason it's not, what you can do is you can take one of our shims, wrap it around the bottom of it, and re-clamp it. And what this does is it just allows that vise to have a little bit more of grip and just make it fit just a little bit more snug in there. So once it's in there and it's nice and snug, you're going to loosen up both of these screws, the top and the bottom, so that jaw sits open. Then you take your knife and you're going to rest it on the shelf right in there, and you're going to tighten that top screw just until it just gently holds that knife, and then all of the clamping power is going to come from this bottom jack screw. So you're going to snug that up, and now it's in there nice and tight. So now you basically just go through the process of finding your angle and your sweet spot with the marker method. What you may find is that this bottom screw sticks out just a little too much, and your stone, as you're bringing it in, may hit against it. Well, to solve that issue, what you can do is you're going to totally remove this bottom screw, and with your low angle adapter, what you also received was this smaller set screw, and all you're going to do is you're going to replace that. So you're going to pop that into the bottom, and use your smaller Allen wrench to tighten it up. And now you'll have a lot more clearance for your stone, and you can hit those lower angles. Just like that. Now, when it's time to remove your knife, you're going to just do the opposite. You're going to start from the bottom, and you're going to loosen that bottom screw up. And then you're going to loosen that top screw, remove the knife, release the adapter, and that's it, and you're good to go.